Well, hello. Welcome to cabin 16053 on board the MSC Seashore in the Yacht Club. This is a deluxe balcony cabin. We've been super impressed so far. We've only been on board an hour now, and we've already got our bags in our room. We've been checked in. We ate lunch. We've had a drink. We've explored the yacht club a little bit.
And when she says drink, we have a slight buzz because they were mixing them fairly strong.
My pina colada was transparent white, but it was very tasty. So welcome to the cabin. This is a standard, like I said, deluxe balcony inside of Yacht Club. So what we were really impressed with, what very off the bat of that, was how much storage this cabin has. So we'll start right there. So this cabin has two side-by-side wardrobes in it. This one has full hanging ability. You can do everything you need in this one. The other one's got more of the cubbies in it as well. You can hang. And then you also have a safe in that one as well. You also have access to your mini bar in this one. You can't see that, but it's stocked with everything that you need. The letter says that they will replenish beer and the sodas and things like that. The Toblerone and the Pringles do come in charge, but after you've replaced them once. Yacht Club will also give you a bottle of spirits or wine of your choosing, which is nice. We haven't gotten that yet. But then you also have, what's really nice too, is you do have some silverware and dishes, some wine glasses that you can use as well, which is really nice because you don't have to leave your cabin for that kind of stuff. The cabin also does as well have an espresso machine, which is really nice that you can use that in the morning as well. You'll notice with the bed, you've got side by side. You can have them separated if you need. Obviously, we're okay with that, but you've got cabinets on that side as well. Lights for him and her. Also, Yacht Club does give you a higher quality sheets. The linens are a little bit nicer. You get a pillow menu. You can kind of choose what you want from that, which is nice. Not something that we really have to have, but it's nice to have it when you do. Going on, you got a little bit of a living space here as well. Obviously, you can open and close the curtains. The balcony, I think, is definitely, it's bigger than this traditional balcony that you're going to see in a normal class room, but it's really nice. You do have metal on each side, but plenty of space to see. You have two seats and a little like ottoman out there that you can use as well. Again, you have seating here. Don't think yep, that one actually is a pull-out sofa bed, so if you have other people, you can bring them in as well for that. But the coolest thing about this cabin over any cruise ship cabin we've seen before is this bathroom. Save the best to last, right? Come over here to this bathroom and you're going to notice a full walk-in bathroom, tons of storage. You have a nice little makeup mirror in here. And Dennis is going to have to join me in the bathroom to show you this shower because I have never seen a shower in a cabin that's going to give you that much space. So it's wonderful. Yacht Club will include the standard. MSC in general will include the shampoo and the shower gel. They don't do conditioner in the traditional classes, but Yacht Club, you will get some conditioner. And if Dennis spins around again really quick in this bathroom, they'll give it to you shampoo and conditioner in little travel size containers as well. And you can always ask your butler if you need more. You do get robes and slippers in Yacht Club as well. But we can leave the bathroom. How often can you fit two people in a bathroom and like still walk, which is pretty impressive.
We could sit in there later and drench ourselves.
We could. We could do a lot of other things too, but we'll just be doing that showering in there. But you also do have, we didn't see it, but when we walked in, there's a full-size mirror on the side with some shelves as well. So plenty to do and see in Yacht Club Deluxe Balcony 16053 on board MSC Seashore. Thanks for watching.